Okay, so today we are going to watch a video about all the languages from all over the world.
হাই, আমার বাড়ি পশ্চিমবঙ্গ, আমার ভাষা বাংলা, আমি তোমাদের খুব ভালোবাসি।
So this language was spoken by Miss Meeta, and Bengali is from which state? Which state in India?
It's in east.
It's in the east direction of India, but which state does it belong to?
It's belong to Russia.
It's Bengali. Bengali
And
is
the
from
Seven
which
Sisters.
state?
Seven Sisters.
No, it's not the Seven Sisters. It's West Bengal. Bengali is a language spoken in West Bengal. Let's go to the next language.
हाय, माझं नाव मेघा आहे. मी पुणे महाराष्ट्रामध्ये राहते. मी मराठीत बोलते आणि मला तुम्ही सगळे खूप आवडता.
And this language was Marathi. Marathi is spoken in which state in India?
It's spoken in Assam.
In Assam?
Assam.
It's not Assam, it's Marathi.
Marathi.
Marathi is a language spoken in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. But my mom, she doesn't speak in Maharashtra.
She doesn't speak in Marathi. We also speak Hindi language in all over India. If you
Maharashtra
do
is
not know the local language, you can also
Maharashtra.
communicate in English or Hindi.
Maharashtra is Mumbai.
Yes. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state and Mumbai is a city in Maharashtra. Going to the next language.
नमस्ते बच्चों, मेरा नाम नील है, मारो विराजनो राजस्थान है, मैं तुम सबसे खूब प्यार करूं।
So this person, this boy is
Hindi.
This is not Hindi. He is from Rajasthan and he is speaking a language called Rajasthani. It sounds similar to Hindi. It is sounding similar to Hindi. Good guess, Ankita. But this language is Rajasthani.
Even I was thinking because he bola tha batto.
Yes. Okay. Going to the next one.
Miss Bibina.
എൻ്റെ പേര് ബിബിന, ഞാൻ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. എനിക്കും നിങ്ങൾ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്.
What language is she speaking in? Do you know where is Miss Bibina from? Where is her hometown?
Kerala.
Very good. She's from Kerala. And what language did she speak in?
Telugu.
No. It's Malayalam.
Spanish is Venezuela.
That's not Spanish.
It's Venezuelan.
Yes. Okay, the next language now.
नमस्कार, मुगल नाव सुनीता, अंगारांत पूर्ण लेता, तुमका सगळ्यांक मुगल मोग आणि
And which language did she speak in?
Telugu.
No, this was not Telugu. This was Konkani. The language is Konkani. And where is Miss Sunita from?
Maharashtra.
She is from Mangalore. Konkani language is spoken in Mangalore. Where is Mangalore? In which state?
Bangalore.
It is in Karnataka. It is in South India, in Karnataka itself.
She's in Bangalore.
Now she is living in Bangalore, but her hometown is Mangalore.
Mangalore.
Okay. The next language.
என்னோட ஊர் தமிழ்நாடு, என்னோட தாய்மொழி தமிழ்.
No.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
হেল্ল', মই অসমৰ পৰা হয়, মই অসমীয়াত কথা পাতো আৰু মই তোমাক বহুত ভাল পাওঁ.
Which language is
Kannada.
she speaking in? This is not Kannada. This is one of the Seven Sisters.
Assam.
Very good. This is Assam. And which language is she speaking in? Which language is she speaking in?
English.
Assam? This is
English.
not English. Ankita, can you please sit down?
Hindi.
She is speaking in a language called Assamese. They speak in Assamese in Assam.
Hi, हांव सेलिना आसा पुण्यानसून. हांव कोंकणी उलयतां आनी हांव तुमकां सुबेज मोग करतां.
And which language was this?
Kannada.
It's Konkani again, but this Konkani is not from Mangalore. She is
Kannada.
from Goa.
Goa.
Yes. Konkani language is also spoken in Goa.
मैं भारत में रहता हूँ, मेरी भाषा हिंदी है, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
Which language is this?
Hindi.
Hindi, and Hindi is spoken. Where do we speak in Hindi?
In Bangalore.
Only in Bangalore?
In India.
Very good. It's spoken in India, all over India. If you don't know the local language, we either speak in Hindi or in English.
Ciao, mi chiamo Jenny e vengo dall'Italia. Parlo italiano e vi voglio bene.
Chinese.
Which language was this?
Kannada.
Was it Kannada? She's not speaking in Kannada. She is speaking in the language Italian. And where is Italian language spoken? It's not Chinese. Ankita, that's not Chinese. She's Italian. And where is the Italian language spoken? In which country?
Goa.
Italian. Italian is now,
Italian.
these are not Indian languages. These are all the foreign languages now. Adya, can you please focus? Good sitting. Can I see good sitting? Where is Italian language spoken? In which country? It's there in the name itself. Italian. Italian is spoken in? Italy. In Italy.
E vi voglio bene.
Hello, my name is Anne-Marie. I'm from England. I speak English and I love you.
England.
She is from England and she is speaking in?
I'm a new Dutton school teacher.
She's not a teacher. Okay,
Then?
which language is she speaking in?
He's speaking in Kannada.
Was it Kannada? Adya, what happened? Which language is
English.
she speaking?
English.
English. Then why are you
Hindi.
saying Kannada?
Dzień dobry, mam na imię Agnieszka. Jestem z Polski i mówię po polsku.
Which language is she speaking in? She's speaking in Polish. The name of the language is Polish and she is from Poland. This language is spoken in the country Poland.
I bardzo was kocham.
हाय मां सिंध मां आहियां ऐं मुंहिंजी भाषा सिंधी आहे. मां तोसां जाम प्रेम कंदी आहियां.
Which language did I speak in?
Hindi.
It is Sindhi, not Hindi, it is Sindhi. And Sindhi was a place in Pakistan. There was a place called Sindh, which is in Pakistan. So that's the Sindhi language.
Hola,
That's Anui.
soy de Venezuela.
In
So she
Spanish.
is speaking in Spanish. And which country is she from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Hablo español. Te quiero.
Spanish.
Hi, أنا من دبي. أحبكم جميعا.
And which language is she is from? Dubai. Okay. And which language is it?
Kannada.
Arabic.
Arabic. What is Arabic?
Arabic is a language. And Adya, these are all foreign languages. These are not the Indian languages. So it's not Kannada for everything.
Hi.
The next one.
Hej, jeg kommer fra Danmark. Mit målesmål er danske. Jeg elsker al.
Which language is she speaking in? She's from Denmark and she's speaking in the Danish language. She's from Denmark. You don't know her. She's Miss Meeta's friend.
درود بر شما. من شیلا هستم از ایران. زبان مادری من فارسیه.
Which language is she speaking in?
Hindi.
That's Persian. She's speaking in the Persian language and she is from Iran.
Why are you laughing, Pinky?
Where I'm laughing?
In your face.
I'm just smiling. Okay. The next language.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Moutata, je viens de la République démocratique du Congo.
Japan.
She is not from Japan. That's the French language and she is from Congo. She is from Congo. And she is speaking in French.
Who is it?
She is Miss Sheila's friend.
Why are they like that?
Merhaba herkese. Benim adım Servenaz. İstanbul'da yaşıyorum. Türkçe yaşıyorum.
They are all Miss Sheila's friends and relatives. So she is speaking in the Turkish language. And where is the Turkish language spoken? In which country? Where do they speak in Turkish?
Turkish, Canada?
Turkey. Turkish language is spoken in Turkey. Yes,
Even you
Adya?
and Sheila's friend.
Sorry?
Even you and Sheila's friend.
Yes.
Çok seviyorum sizi.
ሰላም ካብ ኤርትራ እየ ኣብ ኤርትራ ትግርኛ
She is speaking in the language Tigrinya, which is, and she is from Ethiopia. She is from, they are all Miss Sheila's friends.
Okay.
She is from Ethiopia.
ነዛረብ ይፈትወክን
Arif. Mannas Kristina'yı. Yes, Hayastan'ınım.
And she is speaking in the language Armenian and she is from Armenia.
İmmay lezus hayrene. Yes, şat kısırım.
你好，我是艾丽佳，我现在就在新加坡，我也能讲华语。
She is from Singapore and in Singapore their language that they speak is Mandarin.